Alright guys, so here's the game. It's Gun Duel. What we have here are, we have 15 clays, okay? We have rows going up, okay? We're going to start out low, and then we're going to keep shooting progressively higher until we hit the top. Once we hit the top, we come down here and there's this lone clay down here, and we're going to be hitting this clay, and that's the winner. The person who gets to this clay wins. So it's a time trial.
15 rounds. Each of us has 7 in our row. So I'll shoot up this row. Medic will shoot up that row. Whoever finishes their row and takes out this wins. 15 rounds, 8 clays total. If we don't finish this, something's wrong.
Alright, one discrepancy here. I have 3 magazines, each with 5 rounds apiece.
I've got one loaded with 10, and then I have this one loaded with 5. So we each have 15 rounds. We're loaded differently. So okay. He has an extra reload.
So I have an extra reload, but it's not going to matter anyway because I'm going to win, so no big deal.
Shooters ready?
Yep.
Go.
That was excellent. Able to hit him after we were done. Drop the gun on the draw. That would be
funny.
I'm using a left-handed holster. I'm right-handed, so I'm trying to train left-handed. That's not going over too well, as you can probably tell. So
that was fun.
Let's do it again.
I think I had a couple that were knockdowns instead of hits, though.
Let's go check them. Camera second.
Fun is number 1, but safety first.
Alright, so here you go. This is Duel Round 2, Poppy and Infidel. Infidel's gonna win. You both have the same action. Shooters ready?
Ready.
Go! Infidel's ahead a little bit. That was a knockdown hit, but just a little bit ahead. Poppy, it looks like he's hitting, but not breaking. Infidel technically would have won, but he couldn't hit the close one.
If I'd have hit it.
And that is a win for Infidel. Definitely not a lot of rounds used on that one. We'll zoom out a little bit. Now Poppy here, he's wanting to reload and really save all his rounds. He dumped everything on the ground, his speed reloaders, all his rounds. He's going to be cleaning up cases for a while, trying to keep them as clean as he can. So we'll see how this technique evolves. In the range, he definitely keeps his rounds and is nice to them.
He'll end up getting one of those, I promise you.
Yeah, a dump pouch. I don't know how well a dump pouch actually works with revolvers, though. We were kind of having issues with it earlier. You have to really get used to using it and be accurate with where you're putting your rounds. So we're gonna load up again. It will be Medic versus Poppy next, most likely. So we'll go. You can. I'll allow you to unhook. I'll be nice.
No, you should shoot from the holster. Both of you. I'm not going to zoom in yet because I want to catch the drop. I want to see when Medic drops his Glock this time. We're going to get it on camera.
But notice the Glock dropped and did not fire.
That's very true.
Very safe firearm. You can even drop it from chest height and pick it up and fire it again.
Yeah.
Or you can just throw it, out of your holster like I did last time.
So the drop safety works.
All right.
Shooters ready.
Ready.
Go. There goes those 38 specials right on. Speed reloaded. Looks like Poppy's got a bit of a lead right now. And Medic doesn't have a finish off. You're empty and you have 5 targets left.
That was a little sad showing. Let me tell you though, I'm learning something about this gun. I have only shot in ranges with this before, controlled areas. This front sight needs to be real low on this gun for it to shoot straight. I found that lately I've been shooting real high, and once I drop that front sight, I'm doing better with it. So
You know, I'm finding the same thing on my Glock 30 and the 45. I'm really having to bury that front sight, either that or shoot low of the target. But I'm finding burying the front sight and putting it on the target's working pretty well for me.
that lens is fogging up again.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. I hate dropping the speed loaders, but that's what a speed loader's for, so.
Speed.
He likes to keep all his stuff looking nice and use it.
Not too bad.
Oh, well, see, he did great. I sucked.
There's still, I'm going to show you Medic side right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And
See
if
the
he dropped
third-
down, he would have had the 5th if Poppy didn't take it out.
Yeah, the third one up I took out.
So, yeah, 4.
Yeah, I had 5 left. I had a few really good hits, but it wasn't until I actually saw my sights and started figuring out where I was hitting.
And to be honest, my last one, I'm not 100% positive I hit it. I hit right near it. It jumped. I couldn't tell if I hit it, and then that branch fell in front of it. I assumed I actually did hit it.
That
So
branch
let's go
sitting
check
right
it
down
out.
there.
It may
You know,
not have a hit in it.
I'm willing to bet that's probably a solid target with no bullets through it.
It's full.
No, look at the bottom left. Oh,
That is a whole target.
but I shot one of his, so that counts.
That's one of your targets, too.
That's a whole one.
Uh-oh. See, thought I had it.
Medic, you can't exactly complain, though. I think you have more whole targets than anyone so far.
I'm on camera. This is very disappointing.
Say what you want to say. We can edit it out.
All right, so you guys gonna go again?
Sure.
I gotta try my 9mm too.
We should do,
Hey, I'll bust out my Keltec. I don't have a holster for it right now, though.
I don't either. Mine's in my pocket.
Yeah, I'll bust out my PF9 and
KVK.
run it with that.
Keltec versus Keltec. Never been done before.
Actually, it's been done a lot, but not by us.
Okay.
It's never been done here.
It's never been done. That's the important part.
I didn't remember that Nothing Fancy had done a Keltec versus Keltec, especially PF9 v PF9.
I remember one shoot in particular of his that I just happened to watch. There were probably like 4 PF9s there, but they were only shooting one of them. I guess that's just the way they do things.
All right, well, I need to get this lens taken care of again.
All right.
All right. Gun duel, round 2, Medic versus, well, technically it's like round 4.
No, this is Infidel and Poppy.
Infidel and Poppy.
We're shooting Keltec.
Hi, I'm Medic. And we're doing Keltecs.
PF9s.
Kel PF9.
Identical guns, except that this one is Parkerized, this one is blued.
Parkerized, blued.
About a $40 difference in price.
Was it worth it?
I like it. I got a little bit of honest wear here. I'm going to safe my gun and show you what's up. Okay, we're safe. Check this out right here. I wear this in an ankle holster, and this is where it rubs up against my boot. And if you watch the Keltec review, you'll see that holster, but it rubs up against the top of my boot, and you can see where it's kind of starting to take a little bit of parkerizing off the gun there. So, just one of those things. A little honest wear, never hurt anybody.
Cool. Shooters ready?
Ready?
Go!
Rounds, I never could hit it. I was high, I was low.
Poppy couldn't hit. He fails. He has 2 magazines and couldn't hit anything.
No, I only used one of them.
He used 1 magazine, but he still fails.
Where am I hitting?
You're high and low and high and low. High. High. Low. High.
I'm putting it in the same spot
So,
every time.
14 rounds, and Poppy didn't hit one target. 7, and I got all of mine and one of his.
That's right.
Just saying. Not that I like to show off or anything. I'm just saying.
So I would have to say I like my Ruger better.